Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best small solar panels available on the market for their true quality. These compact solar panels are perfect for a variety of uses, from trickle charging batteries to powering small devices and DIY projects. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Feldon Micro Solar Panels with wire. This kit includes 5 compact solar panels, each capable of producing 5 volts and 200 milliamps, making it ideal for DIY projects like solar-powered water pumps, science experiments, or small solar power systems. The panels are built with high-quality polycrystalline silicon and epoxy resin that ensures durability and resistance to wind and snow, increasing their lifespan. One of its standout features is the generous wire length, which makes it easy to connect these panels to your project or device. While these panels are not designed for high-power applications, they're perfect for low-power DC appliances and hobbyist projects. With dimensions of 4.33 inches by 2.36 inches, they're lightweight and compact, making them easy to integrate into your designs. The Feldon panels perform well under sufficient sunlight, but their efficiency drops in low-light conditions. While they're not the most versatile or powerful option on this list, they're great for anyone exploring solar energy for creative projects. Pros include their affordable bundle design, durable materials, and suitability for DIY experimentation. On the downside, their power output may be insufficient for larger applications, and they lack advanced features like built-in controllers. Overall, a solid entry for hobbyists and tinkerers. At rank number 4, we have the Aoshike Mini Solar Panels, a pack of 10 compact solar cells designed for DIY enthusiasts. These panels are small, measuring just 2.08 inches by 1.18 inches, making them ideal for solar-powered toys, displays, or lighting systems. Despite their small size, they boast an impressive conversion efficiency of up to 23.5%, which is great for maximizing energy output in optimal sunlight conditions. The Aoshike panels are constructed from polycrystalline silicon, ensuring durability and resistance against environmental factors. While their voltage output is relatively low at 5 volts, they're perfect for low-power applications, such as emergency lights or small household lighting systems. The pack size makes it easy to experiment with multiple panels for larger DIY configurations. However, keep in mind that these panels are not suited for heavy-duty applications or devices requiring substantial power. The pros of the Aoshike Mini Solar Panels include their affordability, high conversion efficiency, and versatility for creative projects. The cons are their limited power output and lack of advanced features such as built-in controllers. If you're passionate about DIY and want to experiment with solar energy, this pack offers great value. Coming in at number 3 is the SoShine Mini Solar Panel. This 5-volt, 6-watt panel is a great lightweight option for outdoor enthusiasts, weighing just 8.8 ounces. With a high-performance monocrystalline design, it provides a solid conversion rate and performs well even in low-light conditions. Its USB connector makes it compatible with a range of devices like cameras, power banks, camping lanterns, and small fans. The SoShine panel features a rugged, waterproof design that's built to withstand years of outdoor use. Its compact size, measuring 6.9 inches by 10.6 inches, ensures portability, making it a great choice for hiking, camping, or biking adventures. However, while this panel can charge devices in an emergency, its relatively low power output of 6 watts means it's not ideal for faster charging or high-power devices. The pros include its portability, durability, and ease of use, while the cons are its slower charging times and limited power for larger devices. Overall, the SoShine Mini Solar Panel is a great pick for outdoor enthusiasts and those looking for a lightweight, reliable solution for small-scale power needs. Taking the number 2 spot is the SolPerk Solar Panel Kit. This 20-watt, 12-volt solar panel is packed with features that make it ideal for automotive and marine applications. It includes an upgraded 8-amp charge controller with a 3-stage charging design that prevents overcharging and protects your batteries. With a conversion efficiency of up to 30%, it's one of the most reliable options for trickle-charging 12-volt batteries. The panel is constructed from monocrystalline A+ solar cells, housed in a corrosion-resistant aluminum frame with low iron-tempered glass. This ensures durability and weather resistance, making it suitable for harsh conditions like sandstorms, hail, or blizzards. Additionally, the kit comes with a 360-degree adjustable mounting bracket, allowing you to customize its angle for optimal sunlight exposure. The SolPerk panel is perfect for maintaining batteries for cars, RVs, boats, and motorcycles. Pros include its high efficiency, robust build quality, and versatile mounting options. The cons are its larger size and slightly heavier build, which may not suit ultra-portable needs. Overall, this is a fantastic choice for users who need a durable, high-performing solar panel for outdoor or automotive use. At the top of our list, claiming the #1 spot is the Powawaxi upgraded 7.5-watt solar battery trickle charger maintainer. This solar panel stands out for its intelligent charge controller and built-in internal protection system, which ensures safe and efficient charging. With a conversion efficiency of up to 30%, it's perfect for maintaining 12-volt batteries for cars, motorcycles, boats, and RVs. The design features high-transparency tempered glass combined with an ABS Plus PC frame, making it impact-resistant and durable for long-term outdoor use. Unlike aluminum frames, this ABS Plus PC construction prevents damage to car paint and adds scratch resistance. The panel is lightweight and easy to install, with options to connect directly to a battery or use the cigar lighter socket. It even has LED indicators that clearly display the charging status. The Powawaxi panel is waterproof, requires no additional maintenance, and comes with a 12-month after-sales service and lifetime technical support. Pros include its robust design, efficient performance, and wide range of applications. The only downside is its slightly lower power output compared to larger panels. However, its reliability and user-friendly features make it the best overall pick for small solar panels. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.